Hi, I'm Lex Ross, president of Aquila, and having a lot of fun in creating a great brand.
What we really have to start with is a design brief. That's where it all starts. Okay, what is our next model? Where do we want to fit in between all of our models that we have existing out there? And then what is the market trends doing as well?
We focus all the time on improving our running from model to model to model, and we will keep working on that. That's where we start from, is really saying, okay, let's make a boat that really runs great in rough conditions, and then start working it and adapting it to the markets that we wanted to address.
So as we start to bring all that together, then we have a design brief to start working on. We then hire a designer to come in and work with us.
Every design project starts with preliminary design sketches, concepts, and then we evolve that further to more advanced design stage and engineering. All the materials that we are using on Aquilas are of the highest quality, from appliances, wood, formica, flooring, upholstered material, all important to make sure it is top quality.
From day one, Aquila has been paying a big attention in terms of the quality. Typical examples like the FRP process we've been using from day one. It has been always the vinylist resin plus the infusion process. They work together closely with the designer. It's quite lengthy process.
We are looking constantly into innovation, what new we can bring to the market. On more technical side, we are innovating always with some of the parts or features on the boat that will offer clients easier use of the boat.
We're trying to be very innovative on the products we bring into the market, and up to now, every model we bring to the market, it's always get something different.
With the Aquila brand, we are primarily power catamaran only. So with the wider beam and the higher bridge deck that we offer on our boats, the higher bridge deck will offer more clearance over above the water when you're cutting through any type of chop or anything like that, so you don't get that slapping effect on the hull. All of our boats are really easy to maneuver because of the width between the engines. It allows us to turn the boat on a dime.
One area at Aquila that we focus on throughout the development is the aesthetics of the boats, particularly when it comes to small catamarans. In the past, were very ugly boats. Today, most of our boats, if you saw them ride from the side, you wouldn't really know they're catamarans until you get close up. So we really focus on the aesthetics on the boats. You know, the lines have to work. We spend a lot of time on that aspect, and we have some great boats coming out in the future that are really very, very good looking boats.
We are using more advanced technologies now these days for the performance of the boats, how they run, and then of course closely connected to the performance is also the weight of the boat. We are using FEA to optimize the structure, which means that it can get lighter. Therefore, these components together are some of the puzzles of the good performance of the boat. Of course, the interior layouts, the interior finish from the client perspective is really important, and this is what clients are looking for on boats. It's performance and comfort.
You're not going to run in super rough conditions all the time. You're probably going to run in mild conditions most of the time. So the boat needs to work really well from an entertainment platform, fishing and that. But if you get caught in really bad conditions, you can feel real confident that you can take it on. And there's, better so than majority of boats out on the market.